Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to add your phone number on LinkedIn using your PC, especially with the latest update. Keeping your contact information up to date is essential for networking and staying connected, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to LinkedIn's website. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile picture, or the word Me. Click on that to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your profile and preferences. Now, in the Settings menu, find the section labeled Account Preferences. Under this section, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where you can update your basic profile details. Next, scroll down a bit until you see the option to edit contact info. Click on this, and you'll be able to add or update your phone number. Enter your phone number carefully to make sure it's accurate. After entering your phone number, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your entry. This might include verifying your number through a code sent via SMS, depending on LinkedIn's current security measures. Once confirmed, your phone number will be added to your LinkedIn profile, making it easier for your connections and potential employers to reach you. Remember, keeping your contact info updated helps maintain professional communication and can open doors to new opportunities. And that's it. Adding your phone number on LinkedIn using your PC is quick and straightforward with these steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep your profile information current to make the most out of your LinkedIn experience.